There we go. So, what would be, what's the role of the grackles?
Their role as far as what?
As far as how do they affect basically all the other animals around, including migratory birds and ones that are local?
Okay, they do affect them in a negative way because they are taking other migratory birds or native birds' habitat. And if you notice, you will only see the grackles congregated wherever there are humans. So like between here and San Antonio and all of that dead space, there's very few to no grackles. You only find them where you have all of your human population. So.
Do you believe that the interest and the scientific interest has declined over the years?
As far as what?
As observation and being in touch with basically everything that's around you, instead of like before you would see people keeping journals of the animals that were in their backyard and all this kind of stuff, and nowadays, well, is that still a common practice or has it declined?
I feel that maybe it's not so much a decline, but maybe there's less awareness because most people now there are apps like the Cornell Lab has a really good app. There's another one, eBird is another really good app where if you don't know the actual name of the bird, it'll ask you for like what did it sound like, where did you find it, if you found it in the bushes or the trees, and then it'll narrow down a list of birds to help you identify it properly. And so I do know quite a few people that use those apps, so maybe if we brought more awareness to that option, maybe more people would be inclined to be able to identify birds.
Mm. Do you believe that the community and the UTRGV are involved with their environment?
No, I don't. I know that there is always a willingness to be greener or to be more involved, but I do not see that translate to actual actions as much as I would like to see it. I do know that people would like to be greener or would like to be more eco-friendly, but I don't think that they follow through with that as much as they should.
And last question would be, what could be done to either stop the grackles from growing so much until the point where they affect the other birds negatively, or what could we do for that?
The only way that you would have a decline in numbers if you take their resources away, and they have a plentiful amount of resources here. There's trash cans by restaurants. People litter and leave food in the wrappers. So until you take away their resources, the number probably will not decline.
All right, and that would be it.